Hey y'all, hadn't seen y'all in a minute. I just wanted to drop in and tell you that I saw the other day where they had put a gun to this woman's head to take her purse. I would just like to say, if you want to take my purse, you do not have to put a gun to my head. I will happily give it to you. And when you take my purse, take all the trash and the junk out. And then take my address that's in there and bring my purse back to me cleaned out. And while you're at my house, would you take out the trash and take the clothes out of the dryer and the washer and take them and fold them. Fold them and hang them up and put them in the dresser. And then take the mop and mop the floors. Take the dusting stuff and dust everything. Oh, and when you take my purse, take out the bills. Take those out and go ahead and pay those with your checkbook, please. People, you do not have to put a gun to my head to take my purse. I hope that lady, ever who did that to her, happily gave that to them people. I'm sorry that happened to her. But if you're going to take my purse, you're going to have to take a lot of other stuff. That would be awesome. And then you can take the lawnmower and cut the grass if you want while you're here. You can just take all my chores for the day. And I'm going to rest. So if you want my purse, you don't have to put a gun to my head. I'm going to happily give it to you. You can have it. You can take it, and you can take everything that comes with that purse. Y'all have a happy day.